Welcome back to my channel, dear viewers. I know this video I'm doing right now, some of you might be laughing that who are the people coming to my DM to ask how to add ASA on Algorand blockchain. Be like, it's something normal for everybody to know how to go about or something. But trust me, there are people that has been coming to my DM that they don't even know how to go about adding ASA to their wallet. So that's why I'm making this video. So this video will show you how to add ASA to your wallet. Even if you don't have the ASA, I'll show you where to get the ASA for the project. So now let's go to Chrome. I'll be showing you, should in case you don't, maybe someone say, okay, go and buy so token on Algorand blockchain and you don't even have the ASA, not to talk of going about adding it. So what you need to do first is go to Algorand Explorer. Algorand, it's actually, you can algo explorer rather, algo explorer, not testnet, use the mainnet. Algo explorer, so this is algo explorer mainnet. As you can see, let's say for example you were told to buy algo funds, or algo fund rather, supposed to be together, algo fund. So this is algo fund. The first one, you can even see the first one is carrying the tick sign. That's the verified logo, verified sign. That's the original one. Always be careful when you're checking, please. Always be careful. If you could not if you can't actually detect which one is the original one, try to confirm from someone who knows better, please, to avoid buying wrong project. So here you click on the copy sign so that you can copy. This is the ASA. Just click on that sign, it will copy. You can see ID copied. Then you can go to your wallet. You can add through Tinyman. Once you swap on Tinyman, automatically it will opt-in. You will see opt-in on Tinyman. And if you want to add through Algorand wallet, you can still add through Algorand wallet. This is Algo wallet. You can add through my Algo wallet as well. You can add through Tinyman, anyone you want. But I'll be showing you this first. So you click on add new assets here. It is always on the last part of the wallet. Add new assets. You paste it on this search box here. Paste it here. You see, it's actually not yet verified on Algo wallet. It's just, oh sorry, my Algo is still on testnet. You can see. So I'll need to change the developer setting. I'll change it to the node settings. I'll change it to mainnet. You can see I've changed it to mainnet because the address of the testnet and the mainnet is different, and that was why I actually missed the airdrop of algo fund, because I only added the asset for testnet and forgot to add for mainnet. I just saw a message that someone tried to send me algo funds, but I could not receive it because I didn't add the ASA. So that was how I actually missed the airdrop. So for this now, you paste here. So I know it's a verified token, so I was surprised when I didn't see it there. So now this is it. But if it is not a verified token, you just click on all, it will appear there as well. So, or let me just look for unverified token. Algorize X is an unverified token. So you can see this is Algorize X. I think this is the original one. The last one here is the original one, but always do your own research to be sure. So you can see it's not verified. If I come to this verified part, you won't see anything, no asset from, but you have to come all so that you can see it. Then I click, then you click approve. Once you click approve, once you click approve, it will automatically add the ASA. That means you've added the ASA. So that's how it is. So if you want to add through Tinyman, once you go to Tinyman, I have Tinyman here. Okay, I have Tinyman here. Once you go to Tinyman and you paste the address, the same thing. The next thing it will ask you is let's assume I want to use algorize X since it's not added yet. To use a token that has not been added and it's not verified. So you will see the reason why I untick this side, because so that I can show the projects that are not verified as well. Because if it's tick, you can only see verified ones, you won't see the projects that are yet to be verified. So algorize X now. So this is algorize X. I actually have algorize X already. Okay, what token? Okay, let me look for a token that has not been added on this wallet. Okay, let me use dope panda. So this is dope panda. You can see here, because I've not added it to my wallet, it's saying opt-in here. So I need to opt in first before I can be able to swap. So once you opt in, automatically it has been added to your wallet as well. So that's all it is there for how to add ASA to your wallet. Yeah, so thank you very much for watching the video. Don't forget to click the subscribe button below this video, and also click on the bell sign, turn on notification for our videos. Once I drop video, you will see the video immediately. So may God bless you as you share this video with your family and friends. Also, don't forget to like this video. Thank you very much. Thank you for your time. Bye bye.